The MakerBot Replicator Mini is a small 3D printer, but the list of included features is large. With a camera, an enclosed and lightweight frame, and Wi-Fi connectivity, this 3D printer can run with the big boys. High-quality prints, and a 1-year warranty also make the Replicator Mini a strong contender. More than just the standard features are included with this 3D printer's price. An impressive, little camera inside the printer takes pictures of finished prints, and sends them to your computer. None of the other printers reviewed have cameras similar to this. The MakerBot Replicator Mini is indeed very small. The largest print size you can achieve is 5 by 4 by 4 inches, which is the smallest on my lineup. One of the best parts about the MakerBot Replicator Mini is the filament storage inside the printer. Most printers have clunky stands that sit on the right or back of the frame. The filament holder is conveniently built into the printer itself and sits behind the print head. The holder pops out when you're ready to change filament as well. Although the filament is convenient to change, you have to stick to ply only as this printer doesn't support tabs. Also, you can only print with one color at a time. This isn't a dual-head printer. The MakerBot Replicator Mini is a smaller version of its bigger siblings, the MakerBot Replicator 5th generation and MakerBot Replicator 2X. This printer has an easy swap extruder and solid acrylic frame. Your prints are fully enclosed for safe printing. When your models are finished, you can open the door and remove the plate. Although the MakerBot Replicator Mini isn't a portable 3D printer, it's extremely lightweight, weighing just a little more than 22 pounds. MakerBot is one of the best companies in the 3D printing industry, so you receive some of the best support available for the Replicator Mini. Email and phone support information is available on the website along with the forum, FAQs, tutorials and the manual. You also have a 1-year warranty to protect your printer from defects. The MakerBot Replicator Mini is one of the few 3D printers on my comparison that is Wi-Fi compatible. This printer can even send notifications to your computer, and your computer can wirelessly send prints to your printer. You can also print via the included USB cord. Only newer Windows, Mac and Linux operating systems are compatible with the MakerBot Replicator Mini, so you're out of luck if you only have a Windows XP or Vista computer. 3D printers tend to come with plenty of accessories, so you don't have to build your inventory on your own. The MakerBot Replicator Mini comes with a power supply, software, USB cable and a starter filament cartridge. Maintenance tools aren't part of the ensemble, but you don't need these right away to start using your printer. The MakerBot Replicator Mini might sound small, but it's big on design and convenience. Wi-Fi capabilities and a clever design make this 3D printer a great choice for your small office or craft room if you're willing to compromise the size of your models.